Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. I am Muhammad Shakil, your Oracle Utilities Application Framework Assistant. In the previous section, we completed the Oracle Database 19C software installation, and at this stage, the environment is ready for the next major step, that is creating and configuring the Oracle Database 19C instance. In today's session, we will use DBCA, the Database Configuration Assistant, to create the database instance and then verify that it is running properly, reachable remotely, and ready for our demo installation of Oracle Utilities Customer Care and Billing Release 25.4. I have structured today's walkthrough into two simple steps. First, database instance creation and configuration using DBCA, then instance verification and remote connectivity checks. As you will notice during the walkthrough, I have created two SSH sessions, one for the root user and another one for the Oracle user. These ensure that each command is executed in the correct user session. Most of the tasks in this walkthrough will be performed from the Oracle user session, while the HC or tab file update will be done from the root user session. First, from the Oracle user session, we will launch DBCA. We will select advanced configuration and choose the general purpose or transaction processing template. For the database naming configuration, you need to follow the values on the slide and the walkthrough. Next, we will configure a new listener named listener on port 1521, which is the default Oracle listener name and the port. We will also make sure the character set is configured as AL32 UTF-8, which is mandatory requirement for OUAF applications. Once the database instance is created, we will perform some verification checks. Using SQL Plus, we will first confirm the Oracle database version and then verify the listener status using lsnrctl status command. Make sure the listener status shows ready. Next, we will switch to the root user session and update HC or a tab by changing the last field from N to Y. This enables automatic startup and shutdown of the Oracle database and listener using the db start and db shut commands. After that, we will switch back to the Oracle user session, connect to the Pluggable Database and start it. Finally, using the SQL developer from a remote client, we will test connectivity to the container and the Pluggable Database one by one. If both connections are successful, your Oracle Database 19C environment is fully operational and ready for the next phase of the OUF installation journey. Rather than explaining every command in detail, this session is also designed as a practical visual walkthrough. You can simply follow the steps on screen and proceed at your own pace. For your reference, I will also share all the commands in the video description so you can easily follow along. And as always, please ensure that each command is executed under the appropriate SSH user session, whether root or Oracle. Let's continue our OUF application installation journey. That brings us to the end of this session. In the next session, we will update the Oracle database parameter max string size to extended, which is a mandatory requirement for OUAF applications starting from framework version 4.4.0.2.3 onward, as documented in the OUAF application DBA guide. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.